What's up, QK gang? So today I'm working with Niawigs. Y'all, the box is so cute. It comes with adjustable straps, and they sent me a 14-inch bob lace front 613 wig, which y'all gonna see that I'm gonna be water dyeing. So yeah, here's the wig. Oh, it looks so freaking crazy. So I'm gonna be using Sweet Mint by Adore, and that's how it's looking. So with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We're finna get right into the dyeing process. So now I'm just going to take my curlers and I'm going to put some curls in it, because at first I straightened it and I really didn't look how the straight look was looking. So I'm just like, why not curl the hair and get like some big fluffy curls? And this is how it looked with the ring light on. I just feel like the hair is super bright when I turn on the ring light, but once I turn off the ring light, it don't look so bright. So yeah, the color actually came out so freaking cute, just how I wanted it. I didn't want it too dark because I've seen on some videos they Sweet Mint was very dark, and I just wanted mine to be like a light color. So yeah, the hair actually curls very great. Like, you get enough parting space. Like, the part was super long, and I love super long parts. So yeah, y'all see towards the end of the video of the final look. Thank you guys for watching.